It seems as if the rain gods are not sparing anyone. The fury of nature has made life miserable for God and human, homes and shops, cattle and vehicles. All rivers in Uttar Pradesh are in spate and are flowing above the danger level. Severely affected by the flood fury are Allahabad, Balia, Varanasi, Mirzapur and Faizabad. The army had to be called for the relief and rescue operations in Allahabad, while PSC troops had to be deployed in 4 districts. The army jawans have chipped in Allahabad and saved the Bakshi Dam from damage. But the rapidly rising water level of the Ganga has posed the threat of the dam breaking down. The army has pulled out people from the affected areas.
70 से लेके 80 जवान हैं और वो अपना पूरा सामान लेके जो इस ब्रीच को खत्म करने की जरूरत है वो सारा सामान लेके आए हुए हैं.
The water of the Ganga has inundated several areas of Allahabad city. The sewage treatment plant on the banks of the Ganga is also flooded. Several homes under water, rendering people homeless. The people have moved into safer ground, leaving their homes. The fury of the river Ganga is also being felt in Balia as well. Water has crept in several homes. The administration has speeded up the rescue and relief operations and people are being sent to relief camps.
स्थिति ये है कि 2 महीने से बाढ़ भयंकर रूप लिए हुई, कभी घट जाती है, कभी बढ़ जाती है. कम से कम 25-30 गांव इधर गंगा से, 25-30 गांव इधर गंगा से पूरी तरह से बाढ़ से प्रभावित हैं. फसलें पूरी तरीके से नष्ट हो गई हैं.
The flood situation is really very serious in Faizabad. Water has entered the ghats and temples. The farmlands of people are inundated as rivers are in spate. Not only humans but also livestock is also badly affected by the floods. 230 people have died till now in the flood and rain fury in the state, while more than 300 cattle have died. The opposition is accusing the government of being careless.
देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार और देश के कई हिस्से बुरी तरह से बाढ़ से प्रभावित हुए हैं और पूरी तरह से जनजीवन अस्त व्यस्त हो गया है. बड़ी संख्या में लोगों की मौत हो गई है, लोगों का मकान तबाह हो गए हैं और अफसोस की बात है कि चाहे वो राज्य की सरकारें हों और चाहे केंद्र की सरकार, इतनी भयंकर प्राकृतिक आपदा पर किसी तरह का कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं.
Several districts in Uttar Pradesh are affected by floods and all help to those marooned is not reaching. Situation is serious and the government has to immediately take steps to provide relief and help the flood affected people. Bureau Report, DD News.